Kenya is tonight a step closer to sitting at the table at the United Nations Security Council after beating its closest rival Djibouti with 37 votes to 13 to get the AU's endorsement.
Well, if elected by the General Assembly later in June 2020, then Kenya will do a 2-year stint and will be entitled to a vote on any resolution of the Council. She will be one of the 10 non-permanent members of the Security Council.
And as Ken Mijungu reports, a positive vote for Kenya would make it the first East African state to sit at the Council.
The United Nations Security Council is made up of 15 member states, 5 of them, China, France, Russia Federation, the United Kingdom and the United States, are permanent, while 10 other non-permanent members elected for a 2-year term by the General Assembly. Kenya will have a mountain to climb to get into the Council in June 2020 when an election is held at the United Nations General Assembly in New York. She will need the support of about 2/3 of all the UN member states. That's about 129 votes. The vote, however, could just turn out to be a formality, since an endorsement by the African Union ensures Kenya is the only candidate from Africa and that all the 55 AU member states will automatically vote in her favor. If elected, Kenya will sit and is entitled to vote during any resolution. A state which is a member of the United Nations but not of the Security Council may participate, but without a vote, in its discussion when the Council considers that country's interests. Both members and non-members of the United Nations, if they are parties to a dispute being considered by the Council, may be invited to take part without a vote in the Council's discussions. The Council sets the conditions for participation by non-member states. The Security Council is the topmost forum to champion objectives and other interests Africa has globally. Ken Mijungu, NTV.